Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today I am showing watermelon peel liquid fertilizer. In today's video I will show you another homemade tree fertilizer for plants. Friends, you can see that I cut the watermelon and separate the peels in a pot. This time we will take this watermelon peels into a small pieces for better result. After the watermelon peel becomes small pieces, we will add water. The nutrition we get from watermelon peel plants are magnesium, phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium, calcium, copper and other trace elements. This time we will cover the pot and keep the boiled shady place 2 to 3 days for the fermentation process. After 2 days, now we will stir well with a spoon or stick. Then I filtered the fermented water and collected the liquid. Also the waste watermelon peel we will use to composting in the compost bin. So friends, we can use this fertilizer on the plants in 2 ways. Firstly, we can apply it to the soil of the plants. And secondly, we can apply it to spray the plants. So friends, you can use this fertilizer directly on the plants without mixing it with water. You can also use it on the plants into the ratio of 1:1 water and fertilizer. For example, 1 liter clean water with 1 liter watermelon liquid, use it. After using this liquid fertilizer on the plants, you can give the waste watermelon peel directly to the plant soil. You can use this fertilizer on the plants once in 15 days. This fertilizer should be applied to the plant early in the morning or after sunset. So friends, I hope you like this video very much. If you like it, you must click thumbs up, share and also comment on this video in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy gardening.